Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions which you will have to answer. Which mobile application do you like the most?
Usually I like to play games on my phone. Uh, I also use note-taking apps for my classes, and uh, I also use social media apps like Facebook and WhatsApp to
Alright, after
connect with.
this video, do let me know about the note-taking apps. I want to take notes as well, okay? So you just tell me after this video. Listen, just try to answer clearly and you need to mention the names of applications. For example, what mobile applications or which mobile applications do you use? You say, first of all, I use social apps. One of them is WhatsApp, then I use Facebook. On the other hand, I also use some educational apps. Then you can talk about notes-taking apps. And finally, as I am a game lover, so I like some games apps, and then you can name PUBG or whatever the name is. Right? So just talk like this. Categorize your answer. When you categorize your answer, you have better ideas to elaborate your points. Let's go on. What kind of apps are you usually interested in? It's almost the same question, but now you can answer differently. I'm mostly interested in games applications or social applications or whatever. So, what kind of apps are you usually interested in?
Usually I am interested in gaming apps like PUBG or Asphalt. I am also interested in social media apps like Facebook, WhatsApp to connect with my family and friends.
All right. What was the first application that you used?
Uh, the first application I used was Facebook. It is a nice platform to socialize with friends and family.
All right. So just you need to add at least a couple of sentences to this answer. This answer is short. What kind of apps would you like to use in the future?
In the future, I would like to use apps for my professional development, like taking courses online like Udemy or edX.
All right, this answer is also short. At least 4 to 5 good sentences. And when you make sentences, make sure you are using compound sentences. A compound sentence is that you join two sentences together. For example, I would love to go to Canada because it is a beautiful country. So because is joining two sentences, this is a compound sentence. So compound sentences or well-connected sentences will bring you better bench score in speaking, right? And for every answer, try to speak differently. Don't give the same answer. For example, if examiner asks you a similar question, so don't give the same answer. Give a different answer of the same question. I mean, just look at another perspective of that very answer, right? All right, thank you very much.